In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting on your iPad and set your own password. So turn on the iPad. And for me, Zoom is in my video calling folder up here. So I'm going to open that up and then open Zoom. And I want to schedule a meeting, which is this button here. So I'm going to touch schedule. And then I can change the title of the meeting if I want to say my meeting and then press return. And so I have to choose a start, and I'm going to start, let's say Tuesday at, let's say 3:30, which is fine. The duration here is set to 30 minutes. I'm going to leave that alone. Time zone is London. Repeat never, so it's only going to happen once, that's fine. Calendar, don't worry about that. So here it's saying use my personal meeting ID. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to turn that off like that. So that's turned off. So now it's going to make up some random meeting ID when I schedule the meeting, which is fine. Now here we've got require meeting password, and I can't turn that off. The button is kind of grey, so you have to have a meeting password, and Zoom has chosen a random password here. I don't like that, that's hard to remember, so I'm going to change that. So I touch the password, and now the keyboard pops up and I've got a little cursor here, so I can delete everything that's there already, and we're going to choose a new password, and I'm going to say that the new password is, I don't know, let's say bottle. Doesn't really matter, that's the first word that popped into my head. So new password bottle, type BOTTLE up here, press return, and now it's changed the password for me. And then I choose done up here to say that I'm done scheduling, and hopefully, so this is the details of all the meeting. I don't know why, but for some reason it now says I have to do add up here before the meeting is actually scheduled. I don't know why I have to say done and add, that seems a bit weird, but that's how it works. And if we check here, I can see a list of all my meetings, and I've got my meeting here, and if I open that up, I can see that the password is set to bottle and the time is set appropriately. So cancel to make that go away, press the home button to get back to the main screen, and I'm done.